Hello everybody, welcome to our JayKay channel. Today I want to show you some basic functions on our board, in specific how it turns on and how it turns off. There has been some questions lately because it has no on-off switch. The board has different indicator LEDs which show its mode. So they're here and here on both axles, and if they're white the board is turned on, if they're blue the ring control is connected to the axles, and if they're red the board charges. There's one exception for all that. In the menu in your ring you can turn off all lights on the board, so that means you can turn off the heading lights and the indicator LEDs. So if that mode is activated there's no light at all, but the axles are still on. Let's talk about the ring and the board. To start the ring you simply push the wheel one time and it's turned on. How we've learned, the board has to be pushed that the axles automatically turn on. If you stop the board after 10 seconds, the axles will automatically turn off. After another 10 seconds, the ring will automatically turn off too. So that's it for that, and in the next video I'm going to show you how to charge the board and the ring.